Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P30 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable portable hotspot today. So, jumping straight to it, we will do it by pulling down the menu, and from here you have the hotspot button. And if it's not visible like it is right here, you can tap on the little pencil icon and it will be right here. So you can tap on it or hold it, I shall say, and it will take you to the settings where you can enable it and also customize the name of it, so how it's displayed in a Wi-Fi list, and also choose the password or change it. And I can enable it from here, and then I'll take my other device just to show you guys how it looks. And once it's enabled, it will be visible right here. My device, it's right up here, Huawei P30 Pro, just like the name says right here. And I can connect to it and use basically this phone's internet now. And if you like to disable it, you can just do it the same way you enable it, by tapping on it, and now it's off. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.